Boys and girls, Randall and Rueff here. Today is Friday, May 26th. 26th. Anyway, 26. 2023 AD. And what I'm going to do is take this picture, which I've already cropped to a 16:9 format. It's me holding a dart, and I'm going to turn it into, take it from a 2D image, which height and width, to a 3D, which is height, width, and depth. And it's not actually going to have height, width, and depth. It's just going to look like it does. And what you have to have is a pair of red and blue 3D glasses to see part of this video. Now, obviously, this part you don't have to have that, but you'll get to a point here pretty soon where you will to see what I'm doing. So if you have a pair of red and blue 3D glasses, get ready to put them on. Not quite yet, but we'll get to that point. So what I do is highlight the entire picture. That's Command A on your Macintosh, and then Command C for copy. And then we're going to go to Affinity Photo, which is the program I use because it's really good. And it does a good job. I like that. Alright, let's go to. Okay, let's go to. What is it? It's Darts 15.2. Darts 15.2. So, okay. So, what I'm going to do, there's the picture. What I'm going to do is paste it. Command V. And then I'm going to turn that one red with bright red. Woo, baby. Next, I'm going to save that. Next, I'm going to print. I'm going to paste another one and turn that one blue. Let's make it a bit more blue. Yeah, close enough. It doesn't have to be exact, but as long as it's bluish, it's pretty blue, it's going to work. Okay, for how opaque you want it to be, I normally go with the blue. I normally go to 60%. It seems 60% just seems like a really good percentage to take it. Now, this is the part where you have to put on your 3D glasses to see the difference. So what I'm going to do, okay, it's already on the arrow. So what I'm going to do now is tap on the side arrows to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That looks pretty good. Not a big difference there, but I was hoping the background would show up more. Now, let's go back. Alright, let's try this again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can see a little bit of depth. You see, I put the cursor right there. You can see the depth between my thumb and my fingers. But that really doesn't, I mean, it's not really, it's pretty shallow depth of field when you go from the thumb to the fingers. So there's not really, there's a little bit of depth here with the arrow, or the dart, I mean. Let's see if we can move it up. So, I'm not too impressed with this one. Some pictures just work better than others. Alright, there we go. Alright, so there's the picture back to normal. Let's just do this. Normally I do 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 7, 8. I'm just not happy with the way that looks, to be honest with you. I probably should have chosen a picture that would be. I thought this. I was hoping this picture would have a big difference in depth between the foreground and the background, but it's not doing that. So let's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. It's just driving me nuts, to be honest with you. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, there's some depth there, but it's not really. I want to try to go down a little bit. It's just not doing really. there's the original. 2, 3. It's just, there's 6. It's just there's not a lot of depth to it because I'm not very happy with this picture. But we'll save it. And let's see if we can find it better. Maybe I'll maybe somebody will like this picture. I don't know. All right. Return. I mean, like I said, there's some depth. I ended up with 6 tabs over, and there is some depth. You can see some depth around this right here, around again the distance between the thumb and the finger, and the thumb and the dart. But I was hoping this whole area right here with the fins would be drastic compared to the background. The background's very blurred. Maybe if it wasn't so blurred, it would look different. But there you go. That's how you do it. And hopefully you got better pictures than this. I think if I had a better picture, the 3D effect would be more drastic. It's just right here. Because it's all within a short focus frame or focal plane area. It's just not, there's not a whole lot of depth to be seen. But there is some depth. But that's how you convert a 2D picture to a 3D picture. And again, with 3D, a lot of times how good it looks depends on the picture. So, or how much depth you have in the actual picture. So, but that's the process of doing it. So until next time, I'm RandallMatthewRueff saying thanks for watching. Have a good day.